What is up, guys? So we are back in Epcot, or about to be. Basically came just to check out, like, the whole new entrance area is now open. So we're gonna go and get some footage and whatnot of that. It's a pretty bright and clear day. I actually wish there was a little bit of clouds just so that I could get like some cool motion lapse shots. But we'll see what we can do. I have my real camera with me, and then I also have this little GoPro that I got for Christmas. So we're going to go ahead and actually strap that onto me and kind of do some walk around videos and see what that looks like, see if I like that. But yeah, here we go. How you doing? There you go. Thank you. Building is pretty much destroyed now. You can see pretty much all the way through it, though I can't get quite high enough to show you. We're walking back along where the seas is, back by the land. There now you can see through that building. And it looks like they might have also cleared like the fountain area too, or the risers may just be over that. Not 100% sure, but we're walking back towards a World Showcase right now. I think I'm gonna find something for lunch and then probably get ready to head out after that. Trying to make a quick trip today. So I'm already upset about still upset about Illuminations going away. And now I'm upset because this barge looks real dumb. And I guess the barges that are going in are going to be just permanent fixtures, which totally ruins this whole scene around World Showcase. And it's supposed to be fountains that are going to be going off, hopefully all the time, to block how dumb this barge looks. But I'm salty, so this new Harmonious show better blow my mind, or I'm going to be real mad. So I ate at Regal Eagle. This was my first time. I'd gotten the like barbecue burger. It was a burger. It had lettuce, mayo, and then pulled pork. And it was on garlic toast with an onion ring on top. And it was pretty underwhelming, honestly. It was everything but like the burger itself was solid, but because the burger was just like standard Disney burger, it kind of brought the whole thing down. Otherwise, I would have thought it was pretty good. I would definitely eat there again. I would just order differently. I did get the mac and cheese, which was very good actually. I really enjoyed that. I was just like pretty standard baked mac and cheese, but that was well worth it. And then I got the banana pudding, because I'm a sucker for banana pudding, and that was actually really good too. I would get that again in a heartbeat. Look at that stupid thing. Just floating in the middle all day, doing nothing. So the line for Frozen is apparently only 15 minutes when it's out from here right now. I just passed the back. It's not wrapped around China, it's kind of in that inlet over between China and Norway. But 15 minutes is not bad at all. Also, next to no wait to get into the Mexico Pavilion. There's some days with just to get into this building, it wraps up around. Looks like they're pretty much just letting people in right now. It's pretty cool. See the old Wonders of Life pavilion back there, which will be the Bay Pavilion soon. And then they took the old solar panels that used to be on Universe of Energy, soon to be the queue for Guardians of the Galaxy. But the old solar panels are off. They were really outdated. They weren't particularly powerful compared to what new ones can do. I'm doubtful that they'll put new solar panels up there, but I would like to see it. I think that'd be pretty cool for them to kind of update that theme. But you can see we're walking out towards the park exit now. It's only been a couple hours, but if I don't leave by 3, I'll get stuck in I-4 traffic, especially like leaving Disney is where most of the traffic comes from. And then that traffic persists, not too long, usually down through, what's that exit? I can't remember, it's like a couple miles down. But if you get out of here before 3, you don't hit that. But I usually try not to hit it, so I'm either here leaving before 3, or I gotta stay and kind of like basically stay through rush hour, which means I'm not getting home till after dark. And I am not about that. I do not remember this exit like wrapping all the way around like this. Definitely thought it was like more direct before, but I could be wrong. I'll have to look, because we definitely walked out this exit last time we were here. Also, I wanted to do like more time lapses of Spaceship Earth, and when I got here there was like no clouds, so I couldn't really do it. So I think I'm gonna actually try to get one over here at the entrance quick before I leave. Just trying to get like the clouds moving behind Spaceship Earth. I think that would look pretty, don't you? We'll see. I am on my way out now. See Spaceship Earth, the monorail station behind me. I had a pretty good day. Didn't really do all that much, honestly. Came in, I spent a lot of time taking footage of kind of the new front area. And it is very pretty. The new fountain pillars are pretty cool. I wish the lighting had been a little bit better. It was a little bit weird filming it just at the time I got there. Would be nice if Epcot opened a little earlier, so I could get in earlier and do that sort of thing. And unfortunately, I'm just not gonna stay later to get those nighttime shots. I'm sure it probably looks better at night. But it is nice. It's a lot more open. There's a lot more like walkways that you can go through in there. So I do appreciate that a lot. And it is green. It's not like super lush yet though, because you'll notice there are like some new like saplings and some that just don't have any leaves right now. But crowds weren't too bad. Most of the lines are pretty quick. Soarin', I think, stayed around 25. Frozen was like 15 all day. It was actually 15, apparently. Test Track, though, was like, I think 70. I don't think I got a video, but that line was all the way out the building, and that kind of like zigzagged all through that courtyard area there. So that one's pretty long, but otherwise it wasn't too bad. Mask compliance was okay. I did see some people who were like walking around drinking their beer and stuff around World Showcase without their mask. And I didn't see anyone do anything about it, but there wasn't like anyone actively there. It wasn't like it was just being ignored either. So overall, it wasn't terrible, but still, very good trip. So my outro got super wind blown out, sorry about that. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, all of that fun YouTube-y stuff. And let me know what you guys think of the amazing new courtyard for the Epcot entrance area. See you guys.